Have you ever wondered how differentiation among children impacts their growth and development? Well, let's unravel that mystery together. Differentiation in essence is the variety we see among children. It's the spice of life, painting the human landscape with varied shades of physical, intellectual, and emotional differences. Imagine children as unique pieces of a grand puzzle, each with their own distinct shape and color. Physically, some children might grow taller faster, while others may develop motor skills at a different pace. Intellectually, you'll find some kids are whizzes at math, while others have a knack for storytelling. Emotionally, some children might wear their hearts on their sleeves, while others are more reserved. These differences, while beautiful, can also be challenging. They can lead to comparisons, competition, and even conflict. But remember, it's these very differences that make us who we are. So, as we see, differentiation among children is a complex and multifaceted phenomenon. Now, let's get scientific. What does research tell us about the effects of differentiation on children? Well, a myriad of studies have delved into this topic, revealing profound insights. For starters, differentiation affects a child's self-esteem. According to a study published in the Journal of Educational Psychology, children who feel different often struggle with lower self-esteem. They grapple with the feeling of being unlike their peers, which can have a significant impact on their self-worth. Moving on, differentiation also influences academic performance. A study in the Journal of School Psychology found that children who perceive themselves as different often exhibit lower academic achievement. This is linked to their lower self-esteem and a belief that they are somehow less capable than their peers. Social skills are another area impacted by differentiation. Research in the International Journal of Behavioral Development has shown that children who feel different can struggle with social interactions. They may feel less comfortable in group settings, leading to difficulties in forming friendships and social connections. But the effects of differentiation don't just stop at childhood. They can linger, shaping a person's adult life. For instance, research in the Journal of Vocational Behavior indicates that children who feel different often gravitate towards less mainstream career paths. They may feel less inclined to follow the traditional routes of their peers, instead, opting for careers that reflect their unique interests and capabilities. Then, there's the impact on adult relationships. A study in the Journal of Social and Personal Relationships suggests that feelings of differentiation in childhood can influence the quality of adult relationships. Those who felt different as children may struggle with intimacy and trust, leading to less satisfying relationships in adulthood. So, taking all these scientific insights into account, it's clear that differentiation is not just a temporary phase of childhood. It's a significant factor that can shape a child's life trajectory. Clearly, differentiation can significantly shape a child's life trajectory. So how can parents and educators navigate differentiation to ensure the best outcomes for children? Let's dive into some effective strategies. Firstly, acknowledging and respecting differences is paramount. Each child is an individual with their own strengths, weaknesses, interests, and learning styles. It's crucial to recognize this and to refrain from comparing one child to another. The goal isn't to press every child into a single mold, but to help each child flourish as they are. Inclusivity plays a significant role in dealing with differentiation. Creating an inclusive environment means making sure every child feels valued and included, regardless of their differences. This could mean using teaching methods that cater to different learning styles, or ensuring that social activities are accessible and enjoyable for all children. Inclusivity helps children to feel accepted and understood, which in turn can boost their self-esteem and encourage their personal development. Providing individualized support is another key strategy. This means offering support that is tailored to each child's unique needs and abilities. For instance, a child who struggles with reading might benefit from extra reading support, while a child with a talent for art might thrive with additional art classes. This individualized approach helps to nurture each child's potential and ensure they are not left behind. Lastly, it's important to remember that professional help, such as counseling or therapy, can be invaluable when dealing with more complex issues. Professionals can provide support and guidance to both children and their parents, helping to navigate difficulties and work towards positive outcomes. Don't hesitate to seek professional help if you feel it could benefit your child. Remember, every child is unique, and nurturing this uniqueness is key to their healthy development. So, whether you're a parent, an educator, or both, keep these strategies in mind as you navigate the fascinating world of differentiation among children. Let's summarize what we've learned today. Understanding differentiation is vital. as it shapes our children's development and their perception of the world. It's not always easy to manage, but with the right strategies, we can navigate this complex terrain. We've explored scientific insights and effective methods to tackle differentiation. Remember, it's not about treating everyone the same, but recognizing and appreciating everyone's uniqueness. With knowledge and understanding, we can turn differentiation from a challenge into an opportunity for growth and development.